What's up guys, so the final piece of the puzzle has arrived. You're looking at the official look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yes, the official name indeed has the Z letter in it, which means that moving into the future, Samsung will always use the letter Z for all of its foldable phones. We also have some more official material leak regarding the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can see this name is also confirmed. And alongside the Note 20 Ultra, we have the Galaxy Watch 3 and the brand new Galaxy Bean Buds. So all of these devices are in the new bronze color, so this is going to be the main highlight color of the whole series. Even the Z Fold 2 is rocking this color, which means that Samsung has done a great homework when it comes to the colors compared to the last year's kind of a basic look. So this is the color that I'm gonna go for. So Z Fold 2, a lot has changed. If you guys have been following the previous leaks, this time around Samsung has properly implemented a punch hole system, giving you a much more modern design. Of course, we cannot see the punch hole from this official image, but it does confirm that we have a Galaxy Note 20 style camera on the back, which will have very similar camera specs as the Galaxy S20. So you're looking at 12 megapixel camera, 64 megapixel zoom sensor, along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, all that good stuff, as well as the 8K video recording. You can see we have the speaker grill on both top and bottom, which is looking pretty good. As for the actual display, it's going to be a 7.7 inch 120Hz LTPO display for the first time on a foldable phone. The outer display is coming at 6.3 inches, which means that this is a proper foldable plus a modern smartphone design combo, which is pretty amazing. But one thing to keep in mind is that the outer display may not have the 120Hz refresh rate. Again, that is not confirmed, but what is confirmed is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chip. Yes, all the foldables will always get the best of the best, so Snapdragon 865 Plus is the best chip in the Android game. So you get the Z Fold 2, no Exynos crap whatsoever. It is coming with the absolute best. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing of the Galaxy Z Fold 2, one of the recent reports has said that the pricing could be very similar to the last year's Galaxy Fold models. So the official look is here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, one of the most exciting smartphones from Samsung is coming later down the year, and that is the Galaxy S Fan Edition or Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. According to the recent news, it may come in October for around $750. This is an absolute killer device that is coming with the Snapdragon 865 chip, 120Hz display, 5G, all of that for $750, meaning it will be truly rivaling the iPhone 12 non-Pro models. Considering it's rocking the 120Hz display, it's almost like a big competitor to the Pro models as well, because we know that the iPhone 12 Pro series won't be having the 120Hz refresh rate. Now, I was anticipating that this phone may have the 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN1 camera sensor, but according to this report out of South Korea, they predict that the camera sensor will be very similar to the Galaxy S20 lineup, which is not bad. But Samsung has to use this 50 megapixel sensor on some of its devices because this sensor is actually really good. It's almost rivaling the low light capabilities of the Huawei P40 Pro. This was one image comparison posted on Twitter, and you can't really see any major difference. So Samsung has to use this sensor on its own phone in the future. I just don't understand why they're waiting. Anyways, that's all the news that we have right now. The S Fan Edition, it's still looking pretty good for this price range. The Galaxy Fold 2 or Z Fold 2 is also looking pretty damn good. Drop your comments, and I'll see you guys very soon.